Hey guys!
Hi.
Today we are gonna play some Roblox. We've already got our game set up. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm saying me, it's because we have a special guest.
Hi.
What's your name?
Queen of Cats.
No.
No.
Oh, okay. She doesn't want to use her real name. Okay, so
Need some privacy boundaries.
it's a 9 minutes and 10 seconds, just like last time. And now we only have 8 minutes. Okay.
Okay, she's overreacted that. But yeah. So
Seriously?
yeah. So don't mind my skin. I've never had Roblox, so my skin's a bacon.
Yeah. Woo!
Well, actually, I did have it
So like in this
on a
game,
different account, but I got rid of that. So
oh yeah, like it's because somebody hacked into her account and she couldn't get it back.
and I haven't got the chance to get Roblox. So.
Okay, so like in this game, you skate around and challenge other people to skating. Like.
She'll challenge me. This is my first ever time playing this game, by the way. So she has a recommendation, then I do. So the next video will be us playing hide and seek. Ooh.
Yeah.
Have you played that one before?
Probably not.
Ooh, I like that. I love that one. But
So, sorry, that's just somebody trying to call me. Okay. No, I want to get off.
do you want me to text her? Do you want me to text her?
No, it's okay.
No, but I feel bad when you just have me.
Oh, you can get skates on?
How do you do this? Should I just text her?
Sure. Okay,
Hold on, I will be 2 seconds.
Yeah. Bye! Okay, so she has 6 minutes left. So right now, all we do is skate.
Alec, can you come out now? Because I'm at Jodie's now. We're recording a video. So.
Okay, so guys,
Sorry?
let's jump up. Whoa!
What's the game called?
Okay, so guys, remember, the game is called... why did I do that? It's called Splash, Skate and Music.
Splash, skate, music. Join us. Okay?
Okay, so...
Join us.
we only have 6 minutes left. Okay.
It's Roblox.
Oh, and guys, do you like my hoverboard?
But we're filming a video right now and I can't just, I can't concentrate so I just put it.
Okay, so... Wait, hold on. Oh, we might get this bike.
Okay.
She's back! Woohoo! So I'm on a bike just now, but soon I'll turn back to my hoverboard.
So how do you actually play this game? I've never played it.
So basically,
How do you get onto your skateboard?
Or you just walk around, like you start off with a running start, and then you should get on it soon. Meet me at this big green thing.
Okay.
I'll be at the top. Oh, do you like my hoverboard?
She can ride a hoverboard in real life, so
Yeah. Well, this isn't a hoverboard, it's a hoverboard that it hovers.
where's the green thing?
Look for it. Hee. It's a board that hovers. It's not the wheel.
Is it up this
hoverboard.
ramp? Wait, what happens if
no.
I press play?
Oh, freestyle, trick to win. Skate survival, escape the zombies. We might do one of these in the next video, but we're doing hide and seek. So I'll do it. Why don't
we do
soon.
the play games now? Why don't we just do that now?
I know, but we don't have enough time. We only have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Yep. Okay, you need to stop timing this one.
No, I have to. Otherwise, I can't post it to YouTube because you can only post it if it's underneath a 10-minute timer.
Oh, I found you. Where are you?
Oh, I'm coming. Hi!
slay.
I'm on this.
Woo. Ready? I'm gonna get a run up start. Ready?
Okay, I might change back to my skateboard. There we go. Woohoo! Flip! Flip! Do a flip! Aww. Oh, there we go. My character just needed a break there.
Stop. Okay. Actually, just call me Queen.
Yeah, Queen of Cats.
Yeah, just Queen. If you're talking about me in the comments, I'm Queen.
Yeah, if the comments are open.
I wouldn't be.
It's because sometimes in my videos they don't just open. Whoa! Help! Oh my goodness, Emily. Well, her name's not Emily. I just call her that for short. Okay.
Yeah, there's no point in hiding that. Is okay.
So, guys, look.
Someone interrupted it.
Hold on, that's my mum. Be a second.
I can't.
Okay.
Jimbo, can you, I've left the baby gate open, can you lift her?
Okay. So, jump! If you hold down the jump button, you can jump.
Do you want me to help? Do you want me to help? What do you want to do? Lift it up. What about Princess? Does she do that?
Oh, she's okay, she's in and out all the time.
Okay. Sorry about that. She was just getting my cat out.
An hour.
So she has an hour before she needs to go home. Well, an hour and 8 minutes.
Oh, sick.
What?
Why don't we play one of the mini games now?
Well, we only have 1 minute and 40 seconds left, so. Kinda can't.
I'm stuck.
Oh no! Reset.
Should we just stop the video earlier?
Huh?
Should we stop the video earlier now?
If you want to.
So is it 10 minutes? Why don't we stop it at like 50? Like 90, no, like 9.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna end the video here. So, if you like, bye guys. Bye. I know we're a little short, but I thought it would be best because we only have like we only have 50 seconds left. So, bye guys.